I'll tell you. So when I was working as a designer company, I can't able to get the 20K per monthly. First of all, I am Vicky Palli. Actually, I am from Andhra Pradesh. I did my Master of Technology, so from the IIT Dhanbad in the mechanical engineering. I completed my MTech so in the Corona time actually. Before 10X Academy, I was working as a footwear designer actually. So where they need to design the design for cutting tools actually. In my mechanical field, so I didn't get that opportunity. See, so generally I love to expose the new technology actually. When compared to IT, so in the mechanical field, we didn't get that much new technology. The job opportunity also compared to mechanical in IT, they have a very good opportunity. To be frank, actually, after my completion of MTech, actually, due to my family reason, I joined into a local company. Company environment is very, very bad. Why? Because actually, I worked in the manufacturing company. Education percent also very less. So their slang and also attitude are very, very bad. Then after that, I decided to switch company. And before switching to my company, so I discussed with many friends. So there is a chance of jobs and also you will get the good career opportunities. So I completely from the man-IT background. Even though I don't know how to develop a hello world program also. I would like to say to 10X Academy actually. I think they changed my life. To be frank, I'll tell you. So when I was working as a designer company, I can't able to get the 20K per monthly. But so I think so after the 10X Academy, I think they have provided me a very good opportunity actually. So and also I am happy with my current package actually.